Find or read reviews that people are talking about Newbro Oversized Double Camping Chair. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Spacious design. This oversized camping chair comfortably accommodates 2 adults or even a large dog. With its extra-wide design, measuring 57 inches in width between 2 armrests, it provides ample space for a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Heavy-duty lawn chair. Crafted with a sturdy steel frame capable of supporting up to 600 pounds, this double camping chair ensures durability and reliability. The backrest and seat cushions feature 600D Oxford cloth padding for optimal support and lasting comfort. Big and tall camping chair. Sporting a fashionable and durable design, complete with 2 cup holders for convenience, this 2-person camping chair enhances your outdoor lifestyle. Its unfolded dimensions measure 57 x 38 x 22 inch, offering both style and practicality. Folding Loveseat. Easily foldable and accompanied by a handy carrying bag, this comfy camping chairs for adults is effortlessly transportable and space-saving. With folded dimensions of 37.5 x 10 inch, it's perfect for picnics, camping, fishing, traveling, concerts, sports events, and more. Camping essentials. Whether cuddling with a loved one by the fire or ensuring your furry friend has a comfortable seat on outdoor excursions, this double-seat camping chair is perfect for various occasions. It also makes an excellent gift for outdoor enthusiasts among your family and friends. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.